Hey guys, welcome back. If your laptop Wi-Fi is not working, in this video I will show you how to use a USB Wi-Fi adapter. You can use the same method on your desktop PC as well. First, plug the USB Wi-Fi adapter into any USB port on your laptop like this. In the most cases, the driver installs automatically. Okay. Now if I click on this network icon, you can see the USB Wi-Fi adapter is working and showing available networks. Now don't get confused if you see two Wi-Fi options. Wi-Fi is your laptop's internal adapter and Wi-Fi 2 is the USB Wi-Fi adapter, this one, okay? If you want, you can also disable your laptop's internal Wi-Fi adapter to avoid confusion. For this, you have to click on this network icon. Then click on this option network and internet settings. This will show you these kind of options. Now click on this option change adapter options. Click on it. Now here you will see both the Wi-Fi adapters. The first one is your laptop's internal Wi-Fi adapter and the second one is your USB Wi-Fi adapter. Now if you want to disable your laptop's internal Wi-Fi adapter, right click on it, then click on disable. So this will disable your laptop's internal Wi-Fi adapter. Okay. Now you will only see your USB Wi-Fi adapter. Select your network and click connect. So this is how you can use a USB Wi-Fi adapter. This is all for the video. Thank you.